Hey, what's happening? My name is Riddivan C, and I'm from India. You know, just a few months ago, I launched Profit Instruments, which took the internet marketing community by storm, and thousands of people loved my concepts and are now making a full-time income without breaking a sweat. Well, anyway, we still have a lot of time to get to know each other, so let's get straight to the point, shall we? I'm excited to begin this series of free training videos in which I'll teach you some amazing CPA marketing concepts that you can put to your business right now. Now, there are a lot of questions and doubts that may have come to your mind when you heard the word CPA, but don't worry, because I'm here to clear the mist and show you the way. All right. So what is CPA marketing? CPA stands for cost per action, and it's become one of the major buzzwords in affiliate marketing. And rightly so, because it's one of the quickest and easiest ways to make a lot of money without any actual selling. Yes, you heard right. You can earn big paychecks without making your visitors take out their credit card. You get paid whenever your referred visitor takes an action, which can be as simple as entering their zip code or email address. Now, can you see why it's such an enticing field to jump into? Of course. For one, just imagine what your conversion rates would be like. Let's do some quick calculations, okay? Typically, for the email submit CPA offers, you get paid $1.50 per lead. A visitor becomes a lead when they complete the action. Even if we take conservative figures, you should be able to convert at least 20% of your visitors to leads. Let's say that you drive only 100 visitors a day to that CPA offer, which is again a very conservative figure. Wondering how you'll get these visitors? Don't worry, because I'll be teaching you some awesome strategies that'll help you get tons of free traffic every single day. So, according to our extremely conservative estimates, you'll make $30 a day in pure profit, which is almost an $11,000 a year business. So, just get 10 such autopilot income streams live, and you have a super six-figure business in your hands. Do you see the simplicity of this model? It's a win-win for everyone. All right, let me just quickly brief you about the CPA Instruments concept, and then I'll show you proof of my CPA instruments that make me over $700 every day with completely free traffic. No matter what anyone tells you, the basic process behind each and every affiliate marketing business is the same. Find a way to get traffic. Take that traffic to your landing page or directly to the offer page. Make loads of commissions. With CPA marketing, there are many types of offers out there, and we have a lot of options to really hit the bullseye. There are the email and zip submit offers that I told you about, and there's the multiple form field offers like insurance quotes or online dating signups. There's also the ever-popular ringtones and toolbars offers, and my personal favorite, the risk-free trial offers, in which a customer pays about $5 in shipping to order a free trial of a product, and you instantly get paid about $30, which is a 600% commission. Not bad, huh? So, CPA Instruments is about two things, traffic and landing pages. Both have their importance, and it's important you understand why. If you don't know how to get traffic, then there's just no point, now is there? And if you don't know how to create landing pages, then even if you generate a lot of traffic, you won't be able to make the most out of it. Granted, you can directly take your traffic to the CPA offer through your referral link, but your conversion rates and future prospects can tremendously improve if you have killer landing pages in place. Alright, so let me think if I'm forgetting anything. Oh, right, the main reason you're here. The proof of the pudding's in the eating, right? Well, here is the daily earnings screenshot of just one of my CPA accounts, and as you can see, most days I'm doing well over $700, and sometimes I've even seen $1,000 days. And yeah, it's all pure profit because all this traffic comes from free sources like search engines and social media sites that I drive to my landing pages and then make all these commissions. Now, this is quite easily attainable, and I'm going to help you get there. But don't worry, because I've just given you a very broad look at the concept. In the next video in this free training series, we'll dive into an amazing free traffic source. Hint, you might use it every day. And I'll show you two ways to make a killing by combining that traffic source with CPA offers. This is something that you can use immediately to cash in with CPA offers. Okay, so I'm going to publish that video right here in a few days, and I'll let you know when that video goes live, so please keep a watch out for my email. You know, I'm sure your followers and friends would really dig this video, so please go ahead and share it with them. The links are given below this video. Oh, and before I leave, I have a quick little announcement, okay? 3 extremely lucky people will have a chance to spend a 1-hour private call with me. We'll chill out, I'll give you some insights on how to make money, and we'll also brainstorm on how to grow your business. These 3 people will also get a free copy of my CPA Instruments course along with some cool bonuses. So if you want to be one of them, all you have to do is post a comment below this video and let me know what you think about CPA marketing. That's it. All right, my friend, thanks for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon.